What's up, everybody? Back at it again. Got some soup. Show you. Just chilling in the room, relaxing, watching the Ace Family. Watching YouTube. That thing disconnected? Watching Luciano. What was the other one? No, the other one, the one I just watched. The J.O.P. Yeah, it was that one. Give you a shout out. What's up, man? San Bernardino. Everybody coming up. Nice old houses. Like their house. The Ace family. Nice ass house. One day. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Even if you don't watch it, just still hit it. Pretty cool seeing people from the hometown, everybody coming up. Big lab. Badass houses. Nice coffee. Well, you guys know what's up. What's up to everybody that knows me, don't know me. New fans watching the show. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Don't forget. Subscribe. So, much love and respect. Out.